Hello, everybody. My name is Naticus, and welcome to a new series I'm going to start posting on YouTube that I'm going to do with my brother.
Nico, from the Adventures of Nico.
Yes. He's starting his own YouTube channel called The Adventures of Nico.
First video should be put out very early this morning. Sunday morning.
Sunday morning
exact.
Sunday morning of July 29th, 2018.
Very first video ever.
And so when
I've
that
ever
comes
done,
out,
so.
I'll post the link in the description. So go check
Just
that out.
like I put his link in my description for my video. Share a little bit of the love. We look out for each other. That's what we do as a family.
And so today we're going to be playing Brothers, The Tale of Two Sons. So if you're ready, just click play.
That's kind of
in a new game.
it's kind of fitting, isn't it? Right? Because we're both brothers. Man, that's very fitting. Oh, that's sad.
No, I've seen this game played before, so I'm gonna have him play it and all that jazz.
Wait, you've never played this?
I've never played this. I've seen it played.
A little bit of go-go juice at 1 o'clock in the morning. Keep you up. Feels good. I wonder who died. Oh, that's sad. Oh, that's who died. Oh, that's so sad.
So sad.
Oh,
Alexa,
okay.
play Des-pe-cado.
Despacito. What did you call it?
I don't know.
Des-pe-cado?
Des-pe-cado.
Des-pe-cado, everyone. That's the name of the song. Des-pe-cado.
I've never listened
Write it
to
in your logbooks. Write it in your journal. Type it into YouTube. Des-pe-cado. Des-pe-cado. I'm gonna give you crap for that. For a very long time.
First YouTube video, and Colors of Tales of Two Tales. Title will be named
Des-pe-cado.
Nayi! Ata! Ata, Nayi! Ata!
Atamayi tata. Is that Japanese?
I don't know.
It sounds Japanese. If you know what it is, let us know, please, because I'm very curious as to what this language is.
With this game, one side of the Xbox controls one brother, and the other side controls the other.
Oh, why did you have to do this to me? I hate you so much right now.
I mean, I can take one side and you can take the other.
I mean, that works. Just double side it.
Just hold it like this.
Oh, no. See, look.
Oh, we got it. Look at that.
Yeah!
Okay, cool.
Hold it.
We got this. Let's run him off the cliff. He doesn't need to live anymore. He's already dying. Oh, too bad.
It's a
So
good-looking game.
It is a good-looking game.
I don't know when it came out.
I was about to ask you when this came out.
I think 2011?
That's not too bad.
It's not.
It's not horrible. Nate's gonna look it up.
Well, we try to.
Multitasking, everyone. We're good at this. I mean, this part would have been easy to do for one person anyway, because all you have to do is just use your two thumbs. Oh, maybe. This is getting kind of difficult. Not much. A little bit. Keep going. I didn't tell you to stop. Keep going. Go.
It came out 2014.
Okay, can we run him off the cliff now? Oh, we can't.
Alright, so. Yeah. So the bigger brother does more of the heavy lifting stuff.
Okay, how do I interact
Trigger?
with it then? Trigger? Oh. That's up. Oh. Okay, big brother, heavy lifting. Got it.
Mhm.
Da. Atta.
What the fuck? Pick it up. Golly. Okay. And turn. And turn. And turn. 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 Forward. Good boys. Okay, what in the hell? Hang on, hang on. I got this. Is this it?
Atta.
No.
No, you have to get over to the right side.
This side?
Yep, and you're gonna have to boost the orange one up until it blew up down.
So then how do I move? Oh,
Another joystick.
oh. That's right. Okay. God, this is so weird. Oh, this is fucking me up. Okay. Get out of the fucking way. How about that? Boom! And then I just use this.
No, you're not strong enough to do that. You want to let down that rope.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this is literally a game of interaction. I wonder if he can jump that high. Oh no, he can't.
You would think you would.
Yeah, you would think, but he doesn't. Well, I was about to be like, well, get the fuck out of the way, but I forgot I have to move him. Oops. Ha! Figured it out. We got this. Ha ha. See now, like, oh, what the shit is this? Gotta like. Come on, boy.
Boy.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen any gameplay of the new God of War game?
Da.
Lando said it was pretty good.
Yeah. You haven't seen any?
I haven't seen any gameplay. I want to play it.
Yeah, have you played any of the other God of War?
A little bit, bits and pieces of it, but I haven't.
Well, in this God of War, Kratos has a son.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I know that.
And instead of referring his child as, Atreus, which is the child's name,
Yeah.
he calls him Boy.
Boy. Yeah. Figured. Boy.
Mafi Sadi.
I think there's a compilation out though of every time he says boy.
Vida Wade.
Wait, what?
There's a compilation someone made.
Oh,
Kratos
every
is
single
saying-
time it says boy.
Yeah.
Boy. You know what game I can't wait to, that comes out? Red Dead Redemption 2.
Yeah.
The first one was phenomenal.
Have you completed it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I beat it in like 3 days.
I remember you getting stuck on the port where you cross over to Mexico and you get stuck on the train. Got stuck on the train. You had to protect the train from a rebellion or something.
Oh, with the Gatling gun or whatever the
Yeah.
hell it was. Yeah, I figured out how to do that pretty well. You just keep shooting, even if
So-
there's nothing. You keep shooting.
If you didn't know, this witch doctor just
Man's dead, and he
Showed-
can't do anything.
just gave you a scroll to go find
A scroll to go find.
the powers to heal.
I'm praying over my dead dad.
Dear Jesus.
Dear Jesus, please protect my father. Please let him die in peace. I mean, no.
Live long and prosper.
Namaste. I should have just left the big brother there and just like, namaste my ass right here.
Got a stick, watch out.
Oda. When Hadi.
He's like, I gotta go past. And he's like, no, I'm not gonna let you pass. 'Cause
Oh,
you're
do I get to
stupid."
kick his butt?
No, there's no fighting in this game.
Oh, I wanted to beat him up. Well, what about this little guy?
What is he gonna do?
Kick him in the nuts? How about that? That hurts. Okay, well, we'll just. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Whee!
No.
I don't know how to swim.
No, he's afraid of the water.
Oh,
It's
because of his mom, I
it's
think.
either afraid of the water or he can't swim. He's probably the better one.
I just don't know how to swim. Mama died. So he's gonna get in the water, and then this boy is going to get on his back.
Yes.
Oh, what a pansy. I hate that. I hate swimming with people on my back. It's so hard.
You'd be a bad.
I'd be an awful lifeguard. Are you kidding me? I don't want to be a lifeguard.
I actually don't know what you need to do. Do you need to climb? Yeah, you need to climb. Look, the guy with the stick just locked you out of the town.
What a douchebag.
And he's dancing on you. Maybe you can have the little brother get on the back of the big brother and maybe he can boost you up. I don't know. Actually, don't remember this boat.
Oh! Whoa! Okay. That's how we do that. Okay.
Wow, he has.
Oh, damn. Boy's got some height. He's got some legs on him. I mean, I'd expect it from the big brother, but the little one?
For someone who can't pull a lever, I'm surprised he can hold himself.
Or swim, for that matter. And yet he can throw himself up onto a... Oh, wrong joystick. About to make the brother fall off the cliff.
Yeah, it's... You get confused easily. You have to remember that the big brother's on the left and little one's on the right.
Yeah, well, it's kind of confusing when the little brother sometimes goes on the left and the big one goes on the right.
Yeah, someone needs to fix that little ledge though, so no bad guys get in.
How about them apples?
Oh, it's an old guy.
Oh, old guy.
Are they arguing or are they stretching?
I don't know.
Like Tai Chi stuff? Sit down with the old man. Then
Just gonna listen to this argument.
what are they arguing about?
I don't know. That's a good question. Because I don't speak their language. Oh. Wait, I think I might. Aha!
나의 혼.
Well, I thought, but. Oh,
No, you were right.
I was right.
You were right.
Okay, boy. Go first. Make sure it's safe. I was just thinking about it. It's like every single time I say boy, just like replace it with Kratos saying boy. That'd make for a good video.
Let me just pull up a video real quick
Yeah.
of him saying boy. This is because it's the same. It sounds the same every time he says it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What is that? Beastie 42 Smalls? Or Betsy 42 Smalls?
What?
That
Oh, that's
dude's-
my phone.
The dude's gamer tag. Oh, that's your phone?
What, that? That's-
No, it was no, it was somebody's gamer tag that popped up that said,
Was it BC Smalls?
yeah,
Did he invite me to a party?
I don't know. I didn't see it all the way through. I just know what it said.
Well, he can wait. I'm playing games. With
You know what?
Juggle.
I'm gonna kick the crap out of this dude with a stick.
Is that a dog?
Yeah.
Oh, the little boy.
Oh, damn.
Boy.
Boy, come here. Ooh, hello, Poppers. Oh, aren't you just the cutest thing? Get in the boat, boy.
Right. This way, boy. Slow down, boy. We do what we please, boy.
That's where you get!
Boy. Boy. Look at me, boy. What?
So,
That's a wishing well. Oh,
Don't-
wow. Great. Thanks for spitting in the wishing well.
I was gonna say don't
spit
fall
on
down.
everybody's dreams. Oh, he's just looking into it.
lame.
I like this. He's like, like, yeah. Here's to your dreams.
Oh,
He's scared of that?
the dog attacked him. Awesome, I see that. I missed that.
Which way do I go? Let's go this way. Adventures with Nico all over again. Oh, we can't go that way.
Well, maybe you can squeeze through though.
With the boy. I doubt it. He's like, I don't know what to do. There's a gate. It's
You
like,
can
well,
easily squeeze through that.
I have to like do some bounding, some military stuff. Bound. Moving, move. Moving, move. Moving, move. Hey, it's working.
Yeah. I mean, we could take one side of.
See, I keep running these dudes into the wall. I bet after a while you get used to
Yeah.
it pretty well, but
I mean, if you want to, we can always
Mayboda?
take one side.
Daya?
oh, he's playing with the kid.
Oh,
Oh, ow, ow, ow.
Ah, my face.
Let me go. He said, "Let me go." So, can I hold your kitty?
Lilay me bo?
I wonder if the cat will do the same thing to him. He's like, tough love. Sorry, dude.